beds there then.
So we go on a journey.
Got the bag of beans.
You still got the bag of beans?
The bag of beans.
He's got the bag of beans! And you still got the bag of weed? It's a Sunday.
Got school tomorrow.
Exactly. You smoked it last night.
Got the beans.
I got loads of panda-pops. Four. 6.
I ain't carrying this all day.
No, we'll take it in turns. Sugar it up.
Right, I've got the bag.
Right, get on back.
I've got the bag.
Right, right, we'll take it in turns. Make sure we're taking it in turns.
I've got the beans. It's the panda-pops. What? Yeah.
You got panda-pops in there. Panda-pop!
Up here on this step. I think that's a very big step towards getting caught. Don't worry, man. I ain't scared of that shit.
Well, we've got the jelly bean. We can secretly skin up whilst holding a jelly bean because no one will be able to see us.
Jelly bean.
Quick, hold the jelly bean of truth. I've got it in here. It's the black one. Good. I'm not fucking kidding here, right? We've got to do is believe. Believe. Black one.
That.
That's the jelly bean of truth. That's the jelly bean of truth.
Is that one having a jelly baby?
Shit! Shit. He had the fucking jelly bean of truth.
What are you doing? How'd you get down there? The magic bean? You sure? No, don't come down.
I won't look. Just wait here.
Fred! Tell him to go away!
I don't know, it's a public fucking park.
Nearly done.
There's someone over there. There's someone coming down here.
Shit.
Wipe up. Wipe up.
There's someone coming!
Well, so Matt's coming down. Just don't tell him about the beans. Don't say anything about the beans.
Don't say nothing about the beans, man. That's coming down.
No, seriously, don't say anything about the beans.
No, I won't say anything about the beans. Can't tell him about the beans, mate. You know? Fucking hell. They're making us disappear, trip out. These beans, they're the shit, man. They're like fucking ultra beans.
I love these beans.
I love these beans.
Hey, they're not fucking beans!
I didn't know they were your beans.
Right, I'm coming down there. You better stay there with my beans, mate. I'm having a fight. They're mine. Run! Get to me!
Stop, man. You ain't getting them beans, you ain't getting them beans.
He's not running after us, so come on.
Beans. Can't believe they used my jelly beans to get across the river. Without any jelly beans of my own, I'm stuck. Ha! Aha! Now, give me back my jelly beans! All of them now!
You don't have any jelly beans.
They're ours, we're going to use them for good. It matters not, for I have developed ultimate jelly bean will allow me to become anything that I desire. No! No, not my jelly beans! Not the black jelly beans!